First of all, what does it mean to lease a car? When you lease a car, you are actually renting that car instead of owning it, and that rental period is normally 2 to 4 years. Instead of paying down an auto loan to eventually own the vehicle, instead, you are paying a monthly fee to the leasing company in order to use their car. There's misconceptions out there, just like with the prospect of buying versus renting a home, and many are under the impression that leasing is always more expensive than buying. However, depending on your situation, it might actually make sense for you to lease a vehicle versus buying a vehicle. Let's compare the prospect of leasing a car versus buying a car now. On the surface, leasing can seem more appealing as the monthly payment for a lease is almost always lower than paying down an auto loan. However, there's a huge differentiator here. When you buy a car and then pay it off over time, you will eventually own that vehicle free and clear. When you lease a vehicle, you will likely turn it in after the lease term ends and then simply start a new lease. Leasing can put you on the path of never-ending monthly payments for your vehicle. However, in the same breath, owning a 5-plus-year-old vehicle is not going to be free either. There will always be maintenance involved with owning an older vehicle, and some people would simply prefer to pay for a lease versus assuming the responsibility for repairs to an older vehicle. Now, a huge factor in determining whether or not you should buy versus lease is going to be the number of miles that you drive per year. When you buy a vehicle, whether you pay for it outright or make payments on it, you can put as many miles on it as you wish because you own the vehicle. However, when you lease a vehicle, there is a limit on how many miles that you can drive that vehicle per year or for the entire term of the lease. In most cases, that limit is 12,000 miles per year or 36,000 miles for a 36-month lease. So right off the bat, if you average more than 1,000 miles per month on your vehicle, leasing is probably not the right fit for you.